My first favorite lipstick is this red shade in the brand Nykaa Matte to Last in the shade Maharani. It is a liquid lipstick and it has got matte finish. It stays for a long time and is a beautiful shade. Suitable for all the skin tones. It has got a hint of maroon. It's actually a bright red, but it's got a hint of maroon. Not total maroon, not total red, but a mixture of that, and it looks beautiful in the day or at the night. It's amazing to wear. My second favorite lipstick is this Nykaa Semi Matte Lip Cream in shade B04. It has got very soft velvety formula which hydrates your lips for hours of comfortable wear, and also it's very weightless as it has got the emollient oils which helps you to achieve a subtle glow. Great nude lipstick it is. It's amazing, just go for it. My next favorite lipstick is again a nude shade and it is from the brand My Glam from the range Lit and in the shade Swinger. Swinger is a caramel brown shade which matches every mood you are in. It has got matte finish, it's smudge proof, it's transfer proof, and इसका जो application है it's very smooth and opaque. Very highly pigmented lipstick it is. It's vegan friendly and it is enriched with moringa oil जो कि आपके lips को moisturize करता है, keeping them soft and supple. एंड ऑल्सो इट इज़ क्रुएल्टी फ्री. लॉन्ग लास्टिंग है ये, बट अगर आप कुछ खा पी रहे हो तो ये अंदर की साइड से छूटने लगता है तो आपको री एप्लीकेशन करना पड़ेगा. बट बिकॉज द शेड इज़ वेरी अमेजिंग, वेरी वर्सेटाइल, तो डेफिनेटली अ मस्ट बाय प्रोडक्ट इट इज़. My next favorite lipstick is again from the brand My Glam and from the same range Lit, but this time it's red and it is in the shade CU46. CU46 is actually a rich dark blood red shade which will make you look amazing. Like every girl looking at you will definitely ask you for sure कि आपने ये shade कहाँ से लिया है and which shade is this. So it has got the same benefits as the Swinger has got. It has got matte finish, smudge proof and transfer proof formula. Its application is smooth and opaque. It's highly pigmented and vegan friendly. Also, it has got moringa oil which moisturizes your lips, keeping them soft and supple. Amazing lip shade it is. Go for it. My next and the last favorite lipstick of this video is this Maybelline New York Super Stay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick in the shade Initiator. Very beautiful light nude pink shade. It's gorgeous and it has got matte finish. इसका application is very simple. ये बहुत सारे different shades में available है. It's not drying at all, thus a must have. ये सारे लिपस्टिक्स जो भी मैंने आपको इस वीडियो में दिखाए हैं, जो मेरे ये टॉप 5 फेवरेट लिपस्टिक्स हैं, ये सब आपको अमेज़ॉन पे ईजिली मिल जाएंगे. मैंने इन सब का डायरेक्ट लिंक नीचे मेरे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मेंशन कर दिया है. यू कैन चेक इट देयर. सो व्हाट आर यू वेटिंग फॉर? गो शॉप एंड बी हैप्पी. सो सी यू इन माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो. टिल देन बाय बाय. टेक केयर. टाटा.